We have been trying for over 5 years to try to make eyelash extensions faster. We've done everything under the sun with our engineers to do so, and nothing has made quite the impact until now. I cannot wait to show you guys our new product, Pro Lash. Pro Lash are lashes that you can apply at home. These lashes can be applied in minutes and they last up to 10 days. Okay, I know what you're thinking. How is this gonna affect my business? This is for clients that you are not currently lashing. This is a product that's designed to grow your clientele, not take away from your clientele. There was a study done a couple years ago, and it said that only 10% of women have tried eyelash extensions. This product is for that 90% of women that we are not hitting. This is just gonna add and grow your clientele, and it's something you can offer people and you can make money without using your two hands, and it's the best of all worlds for a lash artist. We are offering Pro Lash to our lash artists first. And to do that, you become a founding member of Pro Lash and you get access to our special affiliate program for you guys. I am so excited for you guys to get in on this. There's gonna be 3 different starter kits. There's a classic, volume, and mega volume. And in each box is 3 sets of lashes. This is a month supply. So you choose your style, and then also in the kit is gonna be scissors, tweezers, adhesive to apply the lashes, and a remover to take them off. Everything you need to apply and take off these lashes. The first time I got eyelash extensions, it was the biggest aha moment for me. I fell in love immediately, and I didn't know just how much eyelashes would dominate my life, and I love them. And I'm excited for this product to be there for people to try and to have that moment like I did. And I'm excited for this moment to be there for you guys and see what you guys do with it. I hope you guys are as excited for Pro Lash as I am.